We actually have a lot of very, very interesting things to talk about here today. Um, yeah, we might have gotten. So I know a lot of you guys have been asking about that TLT trade. We have now more information about it. So we actually can go over that. I might save it for the Wednesday night stream that I'm gonna do with all you 3 years and lifetime members over there because it has to do with a swing. And there's certain specific things that we need to look for it on there. But I mean, I was just thinking about it within the 10 seconds before I came on. We got some new info on it. Um, Goldman Sachs now no longer expects the Fed to hike at their next meeting. Now, basically, what we've been seeing here is the Fed has effectively come out and said, like I just tweeted out, hike until we break something and then they'll stop, which is sort of what we're seeing. But the thing that they actually broke was the thing that they need to stay working. They need the banking system to continue to function. They need unemployment to go up a little bit and inflation to come down, not the fucking banking system to just break itself. But team, we are going to be having a very, very interesting day today. I hope you guys are ready to take another trip back to Prince City, man. Again, team, make sure you guys are slapping the literal living fuck out of the like button on the way in over here. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms. Today's going to be interesting. Are we going to get a nasty bank collapse or is everything going to be fine and it's going to end up being a nothing burger? I don't know, but the SPY is legitimately at 381 right now in the pre-market. That's ridiculous. You have seen a $25 drop in the S&P 500 ETF here in the last like 4 days. That's fucking insane, guys. We aren't really supposed to be seeing big moves like this happen. But again, if we're just going to be sitting here trading with the traffic lights, it's not going to matter to us. We're just going to sit here continuously making money in the market, siphoning it out with the best trading strategy in the world. So team, couple of updates before we actually get into the things that we need to cover today in terms of all the charts that we have up on the screen. Remember, all of you guys have access to 90% off your first month to the Trade 1348 platform. If you haven't seen that we are the best by now, I don't know where you've been, or you might be hiding under a rock. The QR code is on the screen. The link is in the top of the live chat over there. It is pinned. So again, if you want all the algorithms, everything, the learning curriculum videos, Speed Racer, all of that, make sure you guys hop in there, man. I mean, you guys see our members fucking stealing money from the market all the time in a way that you don't see anywhere else. Again, hop in there if you guys are interested. If not, have fun getting left behind. But team, again, for all you existing members, if you do want to upgrade to the 3-year or the lifetime payment plan, make sure you reach out to Diana. Remember, the 3-year price is getting jacked up at the end of the month, but if you get in before then, you guys are locked in at that 1348 price, which effectively brings your monthly cost. Remember, you're paying the 1348 up front, but it effectively brings your monthly cost down to $37 a month, and you get access to everything. The master classes, the new Gabe streams in the morning that he's going to be doing, my live streams that we're going to be doing, I believe, on Wednesday nights. So again, just reach out to Diana if you guys are interested in that. But team, how we doing? Yeah, TLT, I know that there was an update on the TLT trade. I know, Holden, I know. It is pumping here. TLT actually looks more interesting now. I mean, it's better to be late than wrong on this thing. I think you're going to actually get the signal at the next meeting. But if the Fed, so here is the other thing that I'm looking at here. Let me just refresh this really quickly. So these rate hike oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. This is really interesting now. Oh boy. Okay, so here's what's happened. So we went from pricing in about 80% the shift that we have seen out of this market within 10 trading days is fucking insane. Remember, we went from fully pricing in almost a 50 basis point hike at the next meeting to having a 54% chance or 54% probability that no rate hike is going to happen. That's a drastic shift. And remember what we were talking about last week, guys. This is really, really, really important. Remember what we were talking about last week. If they quote unquote pivot, what happens? Initially, the market drops. So if this is what the market is pricing in, remember, if they start to back off rate increases, it's signaling that something is terribly wrong. Remember, hike until they break something. So all of these people that have been out here screaming that a pivot is bullish, they're fucking idiots. They have no idea what they're talking about. And the initial move on a pivot historically is down. So when we see these now inklings of the Fed not raising rates at the next meeting, the banking system under a lot of stress, things are not great. Even if they don't raise rates, even if they don't raise rates, things are still not good. Like, if you think about it, unemployment, yeah, I mean, you did see unemployment tick up a little bit, but you're still seeing inflation persist. Tomorrow is gonna be incredibly important with CPI for these numbers right here. Get ready, guys. This is gonna be absolutely nuts. So keep smacking that like button on the way in, team. Let's do it, dude. Wells Fargo looks like it's gonna dump hard today. I mean, a lot of things look like they're gonna dump hard today. The SPY's down to 1.22% in the pre-market here. I would expect this thing to come up for air at some point. Tessie's down 3, AMD's down 1.6, Nvidia's down 2, TLT's up. TLT's up. All right, guys. There we go. Again, QR codes on the screen. Make sure you guys are hopping into the best trading platform in the world because in times like this, you need it, man. I mean, no. I'm not buying puts on the banks now. Not when everybody's talking about buying puts on banks. I'm not gonna. I'm no, 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 no. My friend was texting me yesterday, and I hate to say this because he is a smart kid, but like doesn't look at the markets the way that we do all the time. And he was like, "Oh, are you gonna bet? Are you gonna basically short?" That's not what he said, but he was like, "Are you gonna like bet against bank stocks?" He was like Goldman and all these on Monday, and I was like, "No." And the very fact that you said that makes me want to go along. Just because it's like the shoe shine boy fallacy. Like nothing against my friend, he's a really smart kid, but at the same time, it's like if you don't look at this stuff all the time and you're not right on it, the day to do it was the day that all this stuff started to come out. Not now, in my opinion. I mean, unless we see more developments. What came out yesterday? I haven't seen any new developments from this morning, but I remember I think the Fed said that pretty much everybody's going to have access to their money at Silicon Valley Bank that like today. The market's still selling off of this though, so we'll see what ends up happening with this. You're holding puts on SDNY. What happens? Just max payout? Oh, what do you mean? What happened with SDNY? Shut down, halted. What's going on with this thing? What's the ticker? SNDY. My bad. Nope. What's the ticker? It's like, what is it? What's the ticker? Biden's going to be speaking at 9. Interesting. SNDY close. Right, but what's the ticker? SNDY. Why is it not giving it to me here? Yeah, if it closed, I mean, then it halts and then nothing. Oh, SBNY. Thank you. Signature Bank down 5.87% in the wait, what day is this? Monday. I think it's trading, isn't it? The only way that it wouldn't like you'd get screwed over is that if they just suspended it and halted it. Maybe a Black Monday. We're already down 1% here. So maybe I don't think we're gonna get that limit down though. That would be insane. I mean, you were pumping in future. Like when futures opened yesterday, we were pumping. Yeah, SIVB's suspended. Yeah, equity holders are fucked on that thing. Like if you're the equity holders are screwed on all these banks that are going under. But if you're a debt holder, maybe you'll get something. If you're an actual customer, it looks like you'll be okay from the news articles that I've seen. But I also I don't actually care all that much. Like if I'm being honest, I really don't. Um, it is a big thing going on, but if we're gonna sit here trading the traffic lights every single day, even situations like this don't phase us. It doesn't really matter. It's suspended on Webull. Okay, that's like again, it's let me see. Let me look. Let's look here. Keep smacking that like two team. Yeah, I see it suspended. We'll see. I mean, again, we'll just have to wait and see what happens with it. People with balances under 250K have access. Others in limbo. I've read. Okay, interesting. Okay, this is gonna get spicy, team. This is gonna get real spicy. No, I know it was shut down, but let's see what happens with it. Where's my stuff? Oh, it's right here. 385 at the end of the day. It could. I don't know. I mean, again, we don't, guys. We're not. Again, I know a lot of people are going to be trying to predict things today. Doesn't matter. We're going to be trading the traffic lights because again, you have to ask yourself this, guys. What would Rita do in situations like this? What would Rita do? Okay, Rita is just going to trade the traffic lights with good risk management, and she's probably going to slaughter it again today after being up 36% last week. Cool. We'll just do exactly what Rita would do. That algorithm's a killer. There's a couple of last things that we gotta do on it, and then it's ready for prime time. But again, guys, if you want all the alerts that Rita's using to just murder it in the market every single day autonomously, QR code right here, team. 90% off your first month to the platform. Again, what's your alternative? Seriously, like if you want to make money in this market, you don't really have an alternative. You're going to go and maybe consider these follow trading idiots that are going to lead you to the slaughter, that are just using you as exit liquidity. I mean, again, if you want to do that, by all means, go have fun doing that. But if you want a serious trading platform of people that are actually trying to help you make money, you guys know exactly where to go. But I mean, well, how much time we got left here? 34 minutes to go. We need Rita merch? No. You wanted TLT below 106? Yeah, Tina, there is no alternative. I mean, TLT, where was the first TLT video that we made? It was November something. The first TLT video that we had was here. So honestly, I mean, if you were looking at the at TLT when we bottom ticked it, okay, so I effectively called the bottom on TLT. Now, is that me being a fucking genius over here? No. That's me looking at market conditions and say it wasn't even technical. It was all just like, okay, what is most likely to happen over the next couple of months with it? This was just a macro play. TLT didn't need to be under 110. I mean, if it slipped 90, I was going to buy a fuckload of it. Never didn't buy it. But I mean, it's still ready to go. It could still freak out. Are playing out almost identically to the 08 crash. Yeah, I was not around for the 08 crash. I was 9 years old. SPY trying to move a little bit higher here. Okay. Let's see. Guys, this is going to get interesting. Like, incredibly interesting today. And then we have CPI tomorrow. Like, this is going to get so wild. The fact that you were 9 is not an excuse. Yes, sorry, bro. It was 5 years later when I started learning about the markets at the age of 14. So, my bad. Gonna be paying for 3-year master as soon as the money hits your bank. Been killing it ever since I switched over to futures. JJ Nickel. There you go, buddy. There you guys go. Again, guys, you want to upgrade to 3-year, get access to all of those master classes, the new streams that Gabe and I are going to be doing. And we got some other special stuff coming for you guys in there too. Make sure you guys upgrade before the end of the month. Reach out to Diana because prices are going up. SPY starting to come to the upside here. But yeah, and everybody gets 90% off their first month. If you guys aren't in there yet on that deal, limited time offer there, I mean, you're just asking to get left behind. So there's that link in the live chat for you guys there again. Well, let's see. Yeah, SPY's just coming up here to the 48 on the 1 minute. Let's see. Tessie moving back up a little. TLT slipping. Okay. No. Life wisdom. Now is not the time to be buying puts for swings. That makes no sense. The time to be buying puts for the swings was, I'll show you, 2 Thursdays ago. It was like when this happened. When you started seeing those wild movements to the upside off of basically no new news, that was the time to start getting longer dated puts. I mean, you had this daily traffic light to the downside here on SPY. Oh, wait, maybe it was this one? No, it wasn't this one. Maybe it was. Yeah, it was this one. It wasn't this. It was this. It was this move was the move that you wanted to start getting longer dated puts on. Because this made no sense. These 2 or 3 days of green right here didn't make any sense just because of the statements that were actually made and why the market was moving the way that it was. Now you're coming into this little zone here of support. You've seen it consolidate here in the past. If you end up slipping down below here, spaghetti-o. Remember, I mean, you still have the potential to reach the COVID zone if it's actually going to slip that low, which is about $40 lower than here. I mean, again, that would be a bit interesting if we saw things move all the way down there, but we'll see how it goes. Best platform for futures? I don't know. I mean, Trade Evade and TradeStation, I believe, are pretty good. Thinkorswim's pretty good too. Have the clocks changed in the US this weekend? Yes. And also, isn't this the last time that the clocks are changing? So, like, we don't do that shit anymore, which I'm very happy about because, like, in the fall, I love it because I get an hour of sleep. But this past weekend, I got stolen from me, and that's nonsense. That's theft, and I'm gonna sue somebody. Like, let's see. Oh, you guys are slacking on the like button here too, riding to the COVID zone. I don't know if we're gonna get there, man. I mean, that's the level that I think it would be. Okay, if this is how I look at it, if we end up back in the 350s, I'm a buyer. 350s, 360s on the SPY, I'm a buyer. They said daylight savings helps kill people. It does. It does. People have the most strokes, I believe, because their circadian rhythm gets all fucked up, and it's like old people, like the boomer. Well, okay, that's okay, just old people. But they like their rhythm gets screwed up, and they have like a bunch of strokes and heart attacks on those days. It's very weird. Here comes Biden. Yeah, this could get interesting. I don't. This could be a weird day. I almost want to have a bias up, just because everybody thinks down. But who knows? Again, like, I'm not gonna just trade based off of a bias. I'm gonna go based off of what the traffic lights are telling me. I live by them. That's why we have so much success around here, guys. We fully bought into our strategy. And again, like, Rita is just another prime example of how well it works. Can I stream Biden? I'd rather not. I mean, I can look for it. Is he speaking right now? Let me look. All right, sure. We'll do it real quick.
Another
hold on 1 sec. Here he is.
Before I leave for California, I want to briefly speak about what's happening in Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank. Today, thanks to the quick action of my administration over the past few days, Americans can have confidence that the banking system is safe. Your deposits will be there when you need them. Small businesses across the country, the deposit accounts at these banks can breathe easier knowing they'll be able to pay their workers and pay their bills. And their hardworking employees can breathe easier as well. Last week, when we learned of the problems of the banks and the impact they could have on jobs of small businesses and banking system overall, I instructed my team to act quickly to protect these interests. They've done that. They've done that. On Friday, the government regulator in charge, the FDIC, took control of Silicon Valley Bank's assets. And over the weekend, it took control of Signature Bank's assets. Treasury Secretary Yellen and a team of banking regulators have taken action, immediate action. And here are the highlights. First, all customers who had deposits in these banks can rest assured, rest assured they'll be protected and they'll have access to their money as of today. That includes small businesses across the country that bank there and need to make payroll, pay their bills, and stay open for business. No losses will be, and this is an important point, no losses will be borne by the taxpayers. Let me repeat that. No losses will be borne by the taxpayers. Instead, the money will come from the fees that banks pay into the deposit insurance fund. Because of the actions that our regulators have already taken, every American should feel confident that their deposits will be there if and when they need them. Second, the management of these banks will be fired. If the bank is taken over by FDIC, the people running the bank should not work there anymore. Third, investors in the banks will not be protected. They knowingly took a risk, and when the risk didn't pay off, investors lose their money. That's how capitalism works. And fourth, there are important questions of how these banks got into the circumstance in the first place. We must get the full accounting of what happened and why those responsible can be held accountable. In my administration, no one is above the law. And finally, we must reduce the risks of this happening again. During the Obama-Biden administration, we put in place tough requirements on banks like Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, including the Dodd-Frank law to make sure that the crisis we saw in 2008 would not happen again. Unfortunately, the last administration rolled back some of these requirements. I'm going to ask Congress and the banking regulators to strengthen the rules for banks to make it less likely this kind of bank failure would happen again, and to protect American jobs and small businesses. Look, the bottom line is this. Americans can rest assured that our banking system is safe. Your deposits are safe.
I don't like that.
Let me also assure you, we will not stop at this. We'll do whatever is needed. On top of all of it, let's also take a look at a moment to put the situation in a broader context. We've made strong economic progress in the past 2 years. We've created more than 12 million new jobs, more jobs in 2 years than any president has ever created in a single 4-year term. Unemployment is below 4% for 14 straight months.
Okay. What he's just saying right now is not good. He's saying the banking system is getting basically fucked over. He's saying, oh, it might be good, but then we're adding jobs, adding more inflation to the system, meaning that we need more rate hikes, which is going to put more stress on the banking system. That's not good.
Now we need to keep this progress going. That's what swift action that my administration over the past few years is all about. Protecting depositors, protecting the banking system, protecting the economic gains we've made together for the American people. Thank you. God bless you. And may God protect our troops. See you in California.
Mr. President, what do you know right now about why this happened? And can you assure Americans that there won't be a ripple effect?
Do you expect other banks to fail, Mr. President?
Yeah, I think they're just yelling at him. Yeah, again, that was not new news, but the fact that he even said that, I mean, they say those things a lot, where they'll just like point to data, they'll just cherry pick data that looks good, basically to people that are stupid. He's talking to the people that are financially illiterate, when he says things like, oh yeah, we're adding jobs. No, like everyday people are going to hear that and think, oh, the economy is strong. That's not necessarily the case. When you start to see more jobs being added like this, and it's going to continue to add inflationary pressure to the market. The Fed's number one goal, they have two, but the number one goal is to get inflation down to 2% and have price stability. In order for that to happen, they need to raise rates more. If you start to see more jobs, okay, well, that's adding more inflationary pressure to the market with the banking system already in a shitty spot. That's, again, I don't really take what he says at face value. I don't really give a shit. But at the same time, you have to be able to point out, like, that's just nonsense. Like, you can't, okay, like, you're just basically saying to the smart people, hey, it's all fucked up. But also trying to pander to the idiots and saying everything is fine, which is terrible. You can't do that. So SPY did get a traffic light to the upside here, trying to move back up. But like, do you guys see what I'm saying there? It's like, you can't do that. That doesn't make sense. He can do it. He just did, but that doesn't make any sense. Let's see. Tessie trying to move up a little bit here. You got AMD trying to move. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. We are 13 away from 100. I appreciate you guys again. Let's get after it, man. You guys all have access to 90% off your first month into the platform over there. If you guys aren't taking advantage of that by now, and you've been living under a rock, seeing the amount of life-changing money people have been making with us, woo! You are about to see, man. You are about to see. Again, ask yourselves today, guys, what would Rita do? When you're trading, what would Rita do? Because Rita is, if you think like Rita, you're going to have a lot more success. The banks on the daily, yeah, they're shitty. What's the FA? Is it FAS? Banking sector? That's 3 times bold. What's the banking ETF? Just like, what's the ticker of the overall banking ETF? Because FAS is the 3 times levered one. I don't want this. Stop. It's not IRM. That's emerging markets, I think. No, it's not KRE. What's the ticker for the Ape Scrotus? That's for lifetime and 3-year members. XLF, thank you. Thank you. Oh, off a this thing just went cliff diving. Yeah. Oh my God, on the daily. Look at this. Daily. Again, you guys see the power of the traffic lights all of the time. Look at this one right here. You get the traffic light here. You get your retest, never traffic lights back up. And then you get an absolutely monster move from here all the way down here. 9.7% move. Traffic lights for the win, man. If you aren't trading with the traffic lights, I don't know what the fuck you're doing at this point. Probably losing significant amounts of money in the market. Bank of America on the daily RSI is beyond overcooked. I mean, you could have a decent opportunity to buy some of these bank stocks for the long term. Their dividends aren't bad. You get a little nice boost there, but I don't know. We'll see. SPY is trying to move back to the upside here. We got 20 minutes until open. Yeah, exactly, Marcus. How do you join Gabe's lifetime stream? You should get a notification in the master level updates channel. Same place that you got my live stream yesterday for the masterclass. But let's see here, team. Again, keep smacking that like on the way in. But yeah, that's another added benefit of hopping into 3-year, guys. Just reach out to Diana if you want to be in there. Don't get left behind. Prices are going up at the end of the month. When you make a stop and profit order, do you click the preset numbers? No. I just manually put stops and profit at like guesstimate amounts. That's usually what I do. Found it. Perfect. Yeah, so I'll be doing that live stream with you guys on Wednesday night. We're probably going to go over the TLT trade. And more swing stuff, and then overall risk management strategy as well. Let's see. All right, let's see what's going on Twitter over here. Oh, actually, do I have any more of you affiliates I got to approve? Ooh, we got a few. We got a few of you affiliates we got to approve over here. What's up, team? How you guys? Oh, you guys want to go make some money, share the platform with everybody. I see you. I see you. All right, let's see. Good news, mortgages are about to get affordable again. Bad news, home prices looking at 100% gains. No. No. Let's see. Two-year, 72 basis points below the Fed funds. Ah, dude, this is close. Yeah, Wednesday we'll know. Let's see. My brother watched me trade Friday. Let's just say he is watching me again today. Oh, I bet he is, dude. I mean, dude, the traffic lights print. They're fucking nasty. Moonboy, I'm not support. You got to go into Discord and I'll go ask for support. I can't be answering support. I'm not tech support. You got to go ask people in the Discord for it. I don't know how to fix that. I've never seen that. Let's see. Crypto B, all good, man. All good. All you lifetimes in 3 years, better head over to that Gabe stream. You guys are paying for it. All right, folks. Mara got a cross up. Cool. It's the pre-market. We're not doing anything based on the pre-market, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, 1, 3, and 5 show all three. I got him. Did Biden already speak? Yeah, he did. We were looking at that just now. I mean, he just reiterated things that we already knew. Nothing new came out. We got 16 minutes to go until open. Let's get after it, dude. Remember, guys, everybody gets 90% off your first month over there. You don't take advantage of that, you're asking to get led to the slaughter. All good, guys. All good. Does the lifetime payment plan get the stream? No. But yeah, if you guys do want in on those morning streams, just reach out to Diana, upgrade to 3-year, and she will help you guys get that, man. She will help you guys get access to those new streams that we're giving you. Let's see. Morning, Anthony. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? All right, let's see. Where's XLF? Yeah, I don't really want this. I want TLT. Yeah, it's getting there. It is getting there, man. Okay, I have the plan. I have the TLT plan, team. I like this. I like this. When does the roller coaster start? Very soon, man. Very soon. Die. I need this to die and then inverse die. Yeah, we're gonna go over the TLT stuff on Wednesday night with you guys on the Lifetime 3-year stream. Because I need to look at it more, and there's other interesting things that we have to look for on it. This is the first time that things have materially changed with the TLT trade since November. So get ready. What's my game plan for today? Oh, just follow the traffic lights as usual, guys. You guys know what I'm doing over there. The speed racer is going to lead us to the promised land, but I am looking at this. There is something I want on TLT. Didn't you make a video in the past? Can I link it? It's called Life-Changing Money's Coming for You. That's what the title of that video is. So if you want to look at the last TLT video, go search for that one. It kind of breaks down the trade in general. So dude, it's close. I mean, we're gonna know at the next meeting, but when is the next Fed meeting? Yeah, there's a couple of things I gotta look for on it, and I'll just present it to you guys on Wednesday. All right, folks, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's do it. Let's do it. Helps get some more people in here. And remember, everybody gets 90% off your first month over here. QR code on the screen. If you guys want to get led to the slaughter, keep following the other idiots you're following. They are completely dumb. NVIDIA and AMD are next to get hit. Keep an eye on them. They are holding up actually very well from what I've seen. I mean, AMD is only down 0.92. NVIDIA is down 1.15. And they're still very elevated. Like AMD is still in the 80s. Like that's showing strength. Like that's a lot of strength. Let's see. Dude, you guys are going wild on the likes this morning. Thank you, team. Fed meeting tomorrow? No. You get CPI tomorrow. Fed's in like a blackout period, I think. We get CPI tomorrow, but that's it. Oh, yeah, but that's fake. That's like just some closed door meeting that they're going to be doing. 22nd? All right, thank you. 10 days. 19 days. Let's get those ankles, team. Dude, if you guys hit 500 likes today, you will get ankles. Yeah, emergency meeting today. Yeah, but it's closed door. We're not going to get much right now. Brands? Absolutely not, bro. It's going to be a juicy one today. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is. You guys are going to see the power of the traffic lights for the millionth time. Yeah, SPY coming back down. So is TLT. There we go. What is the uncertainty and the fear of the market? Yeah, but the thing is they're not gonna. They're what they would do is they would basically what they're doing at this meeting right now is deciding whether or not what they're gonna do at the next meeting. They're gonna say, okay, if this happens, then we do this. If this happens, then we do this. They're all gonna come to a consensus and then make that decision, and then maybe issue like a written statement after saying, oh, this is what we talked about, blah blah blah, and then that's it. And then we find out really what's going on at the next meeting. I mean, I highly doubt they do an emergency rate cut. If they do, you guys know what to do if you were paying attention to that TLT video. Jeff, absolutely fucking not. That's useless info. Useless information. I've heard there's an emergency Fed meeting today, but I haven't seen much on it. Like sometimes when people just scream emergency Fed meeting, it's nonsense. But either way, we know what they're going to do. So it's not really a big deal. It's simple, guys. Come on, down. TLT, get your ass down. Let's see. All right, guys. This is going to get spicy. All right. All right, guys. I got to run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds before open. We have 8 minutes until open over here, guys. So make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. I will drop the link in here real quick, too, for you guys all to get 90% off your first month to the platform. What the shit happened here? Is this just not working right now? Freaking keyboard. Silly goose. So there you guys go right there. Give me like 2 seconds. I will be right back. All righty, folks, I'm back. Here we go. Here we go, team. Get ready. All right, let's see. So what do we got? 6 minutes to go until open. All right. Let's see what we get today, team. It's going to be a fun one. Okay, just came back from the TLT video. I know the plan again. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, it's super simple. I mean, it's taken time to play out, but now we're here. Let's see. Bullish or bearish today? I don't care. You know what? I'm biased to the traffic lights. That's what I am. The one from like 3 to 4 months ago? Yeah, that TLT video. TLDR, just go watch the damn video. It's from November. The TLT video is from November, and I bottom ticked TLT. That video is the bottom signal of TLT. If you guys realize that. This video was here. It was in here in this November range. So maybe it was here right before this traffic light back up, but it was right around. I don't know the exact date, but it was in this range, the October November range before it ripped. So you're welcome for that one. Yeah, Luigi. I mean, I'm just gonna do it in that stream. So again, another added benefit for those of you guys that have decided to come in with us for lifetime and 3-year. But from that initial video, you guys already know the plan. There's just like other updates that have come out with it that we can go over then. It's the best TLT video I've ever seen. Way more explanatory than Josh's TLT videos. Well, that means a lot because I learned the TLT shit from him. But that is what I am looking for on TLT. There's 1 or 2 things that we're going to go over on Wednesday night. And if it does what I think it can do, it's just risk reward at this point. Where does this look like on the daily? When did this get a trap? God damn it, TLT. It's right here. It's fucking signaling everything. Damn, bro. Oh, fuck. Okay. All right, man. Yeah, I've got something cooking. I'm gonna watch this like a hawk today. Down. I need you down. But it doesn't break TLT down. You have to piece it together from like 25 to 30 of your video, but pulling it all together is what you did. Oh, thank you. Yeah. So, I mean, I'll, maybe I can make another video on it. Yeah, maybe I can do that. Maybe I can make another video on it too. Because now it's it's moving in the right direction. Where's the video? Just search up life-changing money is coming for you, short the VIX, and it should pop up. It's from November. I mean, it's almost like we know exactly what the fuck we're doing over here, guys. When you tie in macro with this. See, here's the thing. When I can tie in macro stuff with a traffic light, we're unstoppable. What's the sudden change? Last week you said TLT may not happen this year. Right. Do you know why? The reason why I said TLT may not happen this year is that we were pricing in 80% probability of a 50 basis point rate hike. Like, now it's literally done a complete 180 where it goes no TLT to flip it. I don't have the video link. I'd have to go back and search for it. If any of you guys do have the video link, shoot me a DM with it and then I'll send it in here. But we have 1 minute until open. I'm not going to go search around for the link. I told you guys what to search. You want to go find it? Go find it. You pasted it? Oh, you can't do that. That your link will not show up in the live chat. Why the change? Yeah, dude, there was a complete 180 out of everything. That's why. Like the reason why it went from it probably won't happen to fuck, take a look at it, because now it's really looking interesting. But we'll see. I don't know. There you go. Thank you, Pepe. Mods can put the link in there. Thank you, Pepe. Appreciate it, buddy. That's the link to the TLT video. I would definitely go watch that one. That's going to be, yeah. If you guys want to actually make some money, like serious money, tying in macro with a daily traffic light, I'd watch that. We're also going to break it down more in the Wednesday night live stream with all you 3-year and lifetime people. I mean, this is not me saying go willy-nilly buy TLT right now. That's not what this is. So don't fucking do that. You'd be a moron to do that. All right, ding, ding, ding. Market's open. Here we go, team. Smack that like on the way in. Let's see what we get. All right. This is not really moving around all that much right now. Tessie doing its thing. AMD fucking around. Nancy doing what Nancy does in the morning. Die, bro. TLT, get your ass down. Wayne, it's not follow trading, so I don't want you to think it is. I mean, again, you gotta if you're a 3-year, it's in the master level updates area of the Discord. All right, team. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Make sure you guys are all hopping in for your 90% off your first month. Let's see what we're gonna get today with these traffic lights. There goes Tessie a little. Nancy moving. Nancy trying to move. SPY doesn't like it. How is... Oh, okay. That's fine with me. Run it up. Somehow I'm up 1%. Oh, I know why. How are the SPY premiums today? I bet they're fucked up. Oh, God. Dude. The premiums on SPY are fucked. Oh, yeah. Duh. Fuck that, bro. No. Dude. Yeah. Joseph, exactly. I just looked at it just now. The SPY premiums are fucked. Like, completely. Bro, the 1 day out at the monies are $4. That's insanity. $4.50. That's ridiculous. Absolutely not. They can go fuck themselves with that one. AMD slipping, SPY doing the same thing. Tessie slipping down here a little bit. That's ridiculous, bro. Tesla puts paid 90%. There you go. How did this just... Bank premiums are high? That makes sense, but for SPY to have those premiums on it, that's insane. What are like the Tessie premiums looking like for this week? Oh, dude, if they're gonna do that, I'm just gonna sit it the fuck out. They can go fuck themselves with that. Are these terrible too? The Tessies aren't that bad. The Tessies aren't that bad. They're not great, but they're not like horrendous. You bought in pre-market, now you're holding the bag a bit. Dumbass, why are you buying things in the pre-market? When have we ever taught you how to do that? I'm gonna be tough. There's gonna be some tough love with you guys this week. If you're not going to get with the things that we teach you guys, and you've seen the power of Rita doing exactly what we teach you, I'm gonna crack the whip. Please, guys, just stop being dum-dums. Dude, there's been no traffic lights. You messed up? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Like, oh, 5 likes away from 150. There you go, team. Dude, I'm pissed that they jacked the SPY premiums like that. I feel annoying because I like SPY. Now they're going to make me do things I don't want to do. Or I just sit out and not trade anything. Because that's ridiculous, seeing those SPY premiums the way that they are. Stomp? What's stomp? I don't like shit here, bro. Western Alliance sinks a record 76% halted for volatility. That's not great. Choppy day CPI coming. Yeah, it could be that. Could be that, man. Tessie, new lows. SPY, new lows. No, down. Maybe I just hunt TLT today. Maybe that's what we do. All right. That's like Tessie's premiums for the SPY. Dude, I know. Robbie, there's different expirations, and it's not necessarily trading traffic light to traffic light. That's its risk. Actually, let me look at this. Yeah, nothing yet. TLT screaming higher. Let's see. $1.23% on one trade of Tesla. There you go. Yeah, bank stocks are getting halted. That's not good. Yeah, TLT screaming. Right up to pre-market highs. Yeah, I don't like shit here. Overcooked on the 4-hour. I know that's why that's why I want it to settle down a little bit. I mean, you do have this level here, 380.50 on the SPY that you could easily just melt down to and then bounce off. S&P 500 turns negative for the year. That's really shitty. But like, look at this. AMD still at 80. I mean, it's dying here, but like, it's still above 80. That's fine. Tesla 4-hour cross pays again, keeps paying. Dude, the daily was ridiculous on it. Where is Tesla right now? 164. I sold mine at 176. I caught like an $8 move down on Tesla, dude, in a day with the daily traffic light to the downside. Again, if you guys aren't trading with the traffic lights yet, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Again, everybody gets access to 90% off their first month in the platform. Just use the code Print City. The QR code is on the screen. The link is in the live chat. Make sure you guys hop in there. And again, if you guys do want access to the special Morning Gabe live streams, and you want my new live streams that we're going to be doing on Wednesday nights, where we're going to be going over TLT, the live master classes, beta access to Speed Racer, the 1-minute traffic light alerts. Make sure you guys reach out to Diana, and she will help you upgrade and get your access up. And again, I mean, the prices of 3 are going up. So make sure you guys do it before the end of the month or not. You had 386 puts from Friday, just closed portfolio up 30% on the day, 1348 for the win. There you go, bro. There you go. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's do it. I mean, dude, I hate everything about this here. I don't want to trade shit. Like, nothing is looking good here to me. I haven't taken any trades. Usually I'm in at least something by now, but no, I haven't taken anything. Let's see. Here comes the SPY a little bit. Trying. How's this look on the 5-minute? 5-minute 13, 382.62. Okay. Portfolio up 310% on Tesla and FRC puts. Oh my God. There you go, bro. Dude, the Tesla daily traffic light strikes again. Like, look at this one. Where was it signaling? Remember what I did on that one? Okay. This is also what we're going to be going over on Wednesday as well with you guys. What did I do off this daily traffic light on Tesla? I did exactly what I told you guys how to do it in the video on the swings with the daily traffic lights, in the 4-hour traffic lights. Waited for that confirmation on the 5-minute, nailed it. I mean, I rode this thing from, I think it was 184 to 176. So I was in this candle here. I missed the rest of it. But again, man, if you're going to give me an $8 drop on Tesla in a day, I'm out of that. Those were June contracts too, and they nailed it. 1% on the port, 1.58% on the port. There we go. Okay. Apple can get above the 200 on the 5. Yeah. Oh, it does have a traffic light up here. That's interesting. Apple green right now. Huh. Wow. Apple's showing some strength there, man. TLT ripping up there nicely. Peloton off a cliff. Yeah. Well, Peloton's just a bike with an iPad. That thing's a bunch of nonsense. Spy hunting lows here. Ah! Yeah, I mean, if you're playing Apple off the 5-minute, you're getting more time on it anyway. So, I mean, you have a little bit of more wiggle room there. AAL got smacked. That was another one I was looking at to the downside there too. AAL on the daily. Oh, dude, look at this. Dude, look at these traffic lights on the daily here. If you are a 9-to-5er and you can't look at the charts all the time, look, traffic light down, and this thing proceeds to fall, what? 8%? You're welcome. I mean, again, you guys all get 90% off your first month. It's up to you to take advantage of it. You want to get left behind and keep getting led to the slaughter by morons? Go for it. But we are here for you when you want to take things seriously. AMD's dropping hard. Oh, yeah, AMD's getting murdered here. Same as Uber. Yeah, Uber was another really good one. 5.68% for the day off AMD puts. Done for the day, 11 minutes into the day. There you go, man. Oh. So I know how many shares of AMD that I have, and when I see it move dollars down, I'm like, no, market, you're killing me. I don't care, dude. My average is fucking 12 on that thing. It's like 12 or 12.50. Yeah, I saw the Roku stuff. Tessie's trying here. Daily traffic lights have been doing me well lately. Don't sleep on them, people. Dude, I know they've been nasty. Like, really nasty. Up 11% on the day. Dude, Trade 1348 gang for the win. You guys know where to go. The Ford traffic light paid. Dude, the traffic lights are killer. What do you guys expect at this point? Do we have any? I don't think we even have data coming out today. No, nothing. AMD still getting killed here. $4. Fuck. Shit. That's thousands of dollars on AMD there. I showed you guys last week, though. I had those couple back-to-back days where, like, Dix and AMD were making me, like, $2,000 a day in the long term. That was fun. Those two together were murdering. Natural gas futures extend gains. Prices up by 5%. Damn, bro. That's dirty. To end Rivian delivery vans. Good. Rivian's a piece of shit. See what happens here. Rivian cars are cool. They're okay. Spy hunting, Tessie hunting. TLT traffic light, which way? Down? 5 minute? Thank you. Not yet, but it's getting there. Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, TLT off a cliff. Spy moving higher. There we go, Tessie. Get your butt up there. All right. Wow, I just murdered Tesla. Thanks. Easy money. Now I get to set my stop. Cool. Easy. This was just RSI break on Tesla there. Wait. Oh, I thought they were going to booty clap me there. How no light? RSI break. RSI break, level bounce. Moving back up. MACD losing steam. Easy. Oh, yeah, I just murdered this. Murder. Gonna move this stop up. Thank you, Tessie. That was easy. I am up 17% on Tesla calls. Thank you. $2.22 on the day. Yeah, I'm up a lot after this. Like a lot. 20%. I mean, I'm moving my stop way the fuck up now. They want to play around with this? Fuck you. That was dirty. That was really dirty there. Up 18% on the port. Oh, yeah, I'm up 22% on Tesla right now. Dude, I nailed this. 25% on Tesla. Jesus Christ. 28. It sharked a little there. That's fine. Here's what we're probably gonna do. I'm probably gonna take another one. Hold on, I'm gonna scale out again. Boom. Ooh, cool. That hit. Nice. So that was a scale out at like 30%. Yeah. Now I'm gonna move this stop way up now and just kind of let this bitch go. Cool. Cool. Thanks, Tessie. I mean, if it breaks this 1 minute 200, cool. If not, I've already locked in a shitload of money on this trade. Yeah, they might take this, but that's fine. I'm going to leave this here for a bit. Yeah, they're going to... Oh, no, just kidding. Wow, I top ticked that too. That second scale out was a nice top tick there. So these contracts right now that I have are at currently sitting at 640. The last sell I had was 690. And then there's a stop at 625. I think that's the stop. Yeah, 625 is the stop. So if Tessie can break this 1 minute 200, cool. If it can't, stop me out. On to the next. Actually, that might be my only trade for the day there. I'm up a lot. A lot. We talked about exactly how to do that too with you guys in not this past weekend's masterclass, but the previous weekend's masterclass. Super simple, guys. If you aren't in there on those, I mean, again, all of the lifetime payment plan people have that now. Again, guys, see how easy this is? Simple, simple, simple stuff. Yeah, still in it. Let's see what happens. That moved fast? Yeah, it did. It moved really fast. So SPY is trying to hunt green here. You're 76 cents away. Tessie going again here. Or trying to go. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Let's do it. And again, there was a level here on Tesla where you get this traffic light retest. Boom. You still can hit that one as well. They're going to get me. They might get me. No, Weeble's not removing stops for me. I'm all good on it. Yeah, they just took it. That's fine. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm up 5% on my account after that. Because I have some other shit kicking around. That was a really big one. That was really good. So I'm probably done. Like, one trade, nailed it. 16.7% on the port for the day. Atta boy, winning loser. Hold on. Up 13%. I'm scared to jinx this, but damn, up 7 days in a row. Hey, that's the power of the traffic lights with 1348, man. I mean, what do you guys expect at this point? Again, everybody has access to $5 for your first month, 90-something% off. You guys aren't in there yet. I mean, keep getting led to the slaughter by morons. Have fun with that. But so here was the thought process behind this Tesla trade. SPY was coming down, consolidating at these levels. Tessie was doing the exact same thing. You saw the RSI get cooked. You had this level right here. It crosses above its moving average right here. You're getting above the level and bing, bang, boom. I basically, what I was doing here was setting my risk at an RSI break back down. That's what I was doing on this Tesla trade. It ended up playing out very, very, very well. I nailed it and off to the races, dude. Killing it. Killing it, dude. Super simple. Great way to start off the week. Do you not get traffic lights if you're on the monthly subscription? You do. You just don't have the traffic light alerts yet. Those right now are for whatchamacallit. The traffic, again, 3-year and lifetime get 1 minute traffic light alerts, and 3 and the 5 are there too, 2 weeks before all of the regular monthly members, and then you guys should be getting them next week. Legit bought at a 3-minute traffic light, instantly reverses, take 10% hit, and then reverses again and do another traffic light. Well, that's how it goes, Micah. You've always predicted that MOAS would trigger the banking collapse. Well, hey, Charlie, here's the thing that you may not realize. This banking thing has literally nothing to do with those stocks. And the fact that you would even say that is the most self-centered, like narcissistic thing that I've ever fucking heard. That the banks, the Silicon Valley Bank right now is struggling because of a couple of stocks. No. Has to do with rates. 2.48% on the day, and I'm done. See you guys for CPI tomorrow. Boy, Sam Lee. Oh, I actually did some dirty shit today. Oh, dude. Yeah. I had some other shit kicking around too. And those are starting to look good, but let's see here. I'm up a lot today now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm up a lot today. That was great. Dude, Stressla is my baby, dude. I love Stressla. When Spy's gonna fuck around like that and jack up the premiums, I'm not touching it, but I will trade Stressla. Is it ripping higher? Ah, there it goes. I didn't wait for the retest. That's fine. I'll take my money and run. Spy's about to be green. What the fuck? Yeah, guys, this is why you don't approach the market with any bias. You trade the traffic lights. They're going to tell you where the market's going to go. Traffic light, little retest here, risk at the 48 or the 13, bing, bing, boom, done. Or you could have just played the RSI break here, which is exactly what I did on Tesla and nailed it. Do you guys see how simple this is? Are you guys catching on now? Do you understand? I hope you do. Because it's just, it's literally a cheat code. TLT got the 5-minute light down. Yeah, that's fine. I want the 5-minute light back up. That's what I want. Greed and poor risk management are two key factors too. Don't be mad at you. I'm not, but it's just a weird thing to say. Because after Ape, those stocks are in the shitter. Oh, dude, I am murdering the market today. I'm up 6.24%. No. RSI breaking the moving average. This is dirty. If this keeps going, bro, I'm going to have a field day. Yeah, this is looking interesting here. I remind you of Leonardo DiCaprio from The Wolf of Wall Street. Thanks, I guess. Is that a good thing? I feel like that's an insult. Because, like, he's a schemer. Belfort's a schemer. I'm literally like, Gabe and I are like the Robin Hood of like everything. We've changed the game for everybody. Dude, I'm beating Rita right now. I think I got Rita today. And this is gonna be the first day in a while where I might beat Rita. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, we broke the market. Oh my god. This is going to be so dirty. I hope you guys are ready for me to just talk so much shit on social media. Oh, this is going to be great. You guys have given more to retail than anyone else. Yeah. I mean, we try, man. I want you guys to think about who's actually on your side. Is it the people that are trying to hype up these bullshit stocks that are going to go into the shitter after they're already up 500%? Or is it us coming in here and saying, oh yeah, they're about to go into the ground, and then they do? Or like the me bottom ticking TLT, or me saying Bed Bath & Beyond's going to die, or me telling you guys that AMC is going to tank. Like, come on. Reversal incoming? I mean, this is just a retest right now. That's all this is. Up 3.82% on the port, secured the bag. Yeah, I'm up over 6 right now. But, I mean, the Tesla trade was a bunch of that gain, but I have something else that is kicking around that actually doubled. It's a tiny trade, but I've already scaled out of it, made it free, went back in a little bit, then started messing around a little bit more with it. Because it's a fun swing, I'm just fucking around with something. And I just kind of wanted to see what happened. But now I'm up 6.5% on the day right now. You consistently speak the truth. Much appreciated. No problem, man. I mean, again, that's what we're doing over here. Jesus, that's so dirty. Let's see. Dude, we're almost at 200 likes on the stream too. I appreciate you guys. All right, Spy coming back down for a retest here. Let's see if this thing wants to die. I mean, Tessie got above here. I'm perfectly fine with the way that I've traded this Tesla move in the morning. Like this was just perfect. I was in here on this candle breaching, and then this. I honestly tried to get more here, and I just couldn't get a fill. Check out AMD, just like the masterclass, 1 minute rip, but 3 and 5 still red. Watching the trend. Yeah, I mean, you can trade them when this is like this, but the only thing you're looking at is you're basically looking at it as even more of a quick scalp than you normally would. Every trade in general is a quick scalp. Live stream with Gabe was fire, and we're back 32% on the TLT drop. Gabe stream was fire. Oh, guys, there you guys go. I hope you guys made some money over there. And again, guys, remember, if you do want to upgrade, to make sure that you can hop in on those streams with Gabe in the morning and me on Wednesday nights, make sure you guys reach out to Diana, and she will help you upgrade to 3-year. Gabe's morning stream was dope. Oh, awesome, guys. I love to hear it, man. I love to hear it. You must get Gabe's stream, Pure Fire. Oh, you guys are kill. I bet you guys murdered it over there, man. Yeah, guys. I mean, again, reach out to Diane if you want to upgrade. If not, okay, don't do it. Prices are going up at the end of the month. Let's see. Oh man, yeah, I'm up. That's nonsense. I'm up more than that. Wayne, you did. You just couldn't find it. I told you it was in the master level updates area. Made your 1% in 10 minutes. There you go. You're riding the TLT traffic light down. See, this is also why I need you guys to be very, very careful. Because, like, I'm not taking this move down. I want it up. I'm looking for a swing on it. Okay. Let's see. Up 1.4% on the port with 20 in 25 minutes, off to your 9 to 5, 1348 for the win. There you go, dude. Again, guys, I'll throw you guys the link in here another time to make sure that you guys have the ability to get 90% off your first month while that still lasts. Again, use code Print City and you guys are good to go. Let's see. All right, folks. For all you guys filtering back in, we are 11 likes away from 200. If you guys wouldn't mind smacking that on the way in, we got a little bit of time left here on this stream. Was there a traffic light for HYMC up 30%? Probably, but Rands, why are you looking at trading penny stocks, bro? Why? Just still on your list? Yeah, it probably did. Again, anytime you see a giant move in the market, there will be a traffic light. Every single time. It's just up to you if you want to actually change your life. Simple as that. I'm sitting up crazy dollar amounts today. You guys can all do this too. That's why we've given this to you guys. Gotta watch them videos. Awesome, Rams. Let's do it, buddy. Next month. Ooh, there we go, dude. Yeah, Tessie's still looking interesting here. AMD fucking around. Let's see. SPY tapping the 1 minute 200. I think I'm probably done for the day. I mean, I'm up fucking stupid dollar amounts. I might as well just stop. I mean, I could continue. Whoa there, Nelly. Hold your horses. SPY, perfect 1 minute 200 EMA test, screaming back to new day highs. Between Speed Racer, Masterclass, and special streams, the fuck you waiting for? Vito, I don't know what these people on the sidelines are waiting for, man. I mean, again, they might just have a little bit of Stockholm syndrome with these people out there that are just leading them to the fucking slaughter. I mean, if they want to go lose money in the market, that's on them. They want to come in here and make money with us. Perfect. We'd love to have them. But if they're going to continue to fuck around, they're going to continue finding out. Are they East Coast? Yeah, they're East Coast. You came back because you forgot to drop a like. Now I'm out. Peace, Sam. Appreciate that, buddy. Dude, SPY's going fucking crazy right now. What the fuck is this? Tessie back over once. Oh, Tessie. Anyone know why SPY premiums are super high? It's because of the IVs juicing up. Use proper risk management. Still green for today, but pretty much even. 3 months ago, I would have held and lost 5 to 10%. Good. 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 You're learning. Weeble refusing to cancel orders. Really? I haven't seen that. I canceled a few orders. I was trying to buy more Tesla calls right here, and I couldn't. It was moving too quick for me to get filled. Nat West, we do not believe the Fed will hike rates in March. Bro, this is ridiculous. Let's see. They're lagging. Okay. I haven't seen a lot of that, but because it was actually fine for me this morning. SPY options still pricey? No. They're going to continue to be terrible. Webull won't let you modify? That's weird. Okay, so maybe I just burn it now. I mean, I just have like a weird sling kicking around that is basically free anyway in my mind, so I don't care. So yeah, if they're going to fuck around like that, I mean, I'm already up shitloads, so I'll just burn it for a while. All right, guys, make sure you're scanning the QR code on the screen using code PRINCITY. Let's do it. Webull being weird, modifying and filling orders. Okay, yeah, then I'll just burn it. Dude, yeah, and you're seeing the volatility pick up here. I'd be careful. Do you trade NVIDIA when premiums are so high? I just trade other shit. So I trade usually, I'm like, for day trading, I'm trading SPY, Tesla, NVIDIA. I didn't really like how NVIDIA was looking this morning. I mean, it wasn't bad, but I just decided to go with Tesla right here. This was the candle I was getting on Tesla with this RSI break. Let's see. Up 7.12% on the port. I'm done. Thanks to the traffic lights. There you go, man. Dude, you guys are just killing it, dude. Like, seriously. Good for you guys, man. All right, keep smacking that like button on the way in. You guys are killing it, dude. I love seeing you guys win. Oh, YouTube's starting to be a little bit weird now, too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. This is TLT here, just watching it a little bit. This feels early, though. So this is the thing with TLT. It feels early. So if you're early, you need more time. We'll see. We will see on the TLT. Where's my stuff? Is it here? Nice. Webull was not letting me remove a stop to do a market order to sell them. Once it happened, added a market level sell instead of just selling me. Wait, what? Like a limit? Why would it? That's weird. Yeah, Webull screwing around, I think, so I'm probably done. Which is annoying because there could be a lot more opportunity in the market. Hold on. You're getting whiplash for this market. TQQQ is a nice alternative. Yeah, TQQQ is a nice alternative. Yeah, I mean, you're seeing this slip here, but it's right back down to that 1 minute 200. Wow, these are volatile, bro. Yeah, I didn't have that issue. That's weird. I didn't have that issue at all. SPY right back down to the 1 minute 200. Missed out on so many opportunities because of Webull. Only have 3.93% for the day. Moto, that's still filthy, bro. All right, you're flashing a traffic light down here on the SPY. Let's see what happens. We will let you cancel orders. It let me do it too. I don't know what happened there. Bro, I've got these Morgan Wallen songs stuck in my head right now, and I'm like not the biggest fan of that because it's also dark and rainy out here, and we're having a great day. They don't mess with you because you got that good lawyer's money, dude. I have probably the scariest fucking lawyer ever. I have a nickname for him. I call him the Wolf. He's a fucking monster, bro. But he also, that's the same guy that I helped out with that when I helped get that dude clapped by the SEC like years ago. Like he's just one of those guys that's just like a legal monster. He'd be like, okay, so he's like the equivalent of Gabe as a trader, but in law. I've known that dude forever, bro. We need the Rocky theme song today. Daily Bread, you didn't follow the rules, man. Simple as that, dude. I mean, it made it work right now. You don't know if you heard that story. Oh, the SEC one? Yeah, that's a good one. So basically, I'm Saul. Oh, no. He's not like that. He's like, I would say he's like Harvey Specter, kind of, but like does everything like by the book. He's just a monster, bro. Yeah, there was like this one thing where like I just had to look through like these financials of this thing to help because I know what the fuck I'm doing. See, guys, sometimes you guys just don't know. Like I have a lot of random skills. This is YouTube. This stuff is just one of them. like the law school stuff. Like that's why I was gonna go to law school because it all just made sense to me. And I knew some things that like are applicable that just other people didn't. So I looked at this one thing and I was like, well, you can't do this. This makes no sense. And then it all ties into this thing, which signals fraud. And then that dude got clapped. Microwaves are not one of those skills. Yeah, you're right. Microwaves are not one of those skills. So, ooh, spy slippage. Let's see what we get here. These contracts are fucking insane. Fuck you. No. No. Get the fuck out of here with this bullshit premiums on the SPY. Nope. Because, dude, you could literally just go trade futures and not deal with like the premium nonsense. No. This is nope. No, thank you. So SV is the feds? No, I'm like a consultant. God, fuck you, Spot. This is just nonsense, dude. The 1 day out at the monies are $4.50. Fuck off. Seriously, fuck off. Let's see. Yeah, dude, even the 0 days are ridiculous. No, I'm not touching those. This is number one bullshit. That's what I have to say about that, bro. Number one bullshit. That's insane, bro. Get the fuck out of here with these premiums. Now it's just bait and switched. No. They're probably bad on everything. market makers think they're slick. It's not that. It's they're pricing in giant movement because that's what we've seen. It's not really the market makers. Like, people can come in here and blame the market makers all they want, but this makes sense that it would do this. On days like today, it would make a billion times more sense if you wanted to have trade the index to just trade the fucking futures, because like these contracts, usually the at the monies for like 1 day out are between like $1.30 and 200. That's usually what they are. Now they're 450. They're doubled. So you're overpaying for, like, it just doesn't make any sense. And they're not going to move as much. So you're overpaying. They can go down as much. They can go down quick. So the risk reward doesn't make sense on days like today. So that's probably why I will be burning it until they get their head out of their ass. And I'm already up a fuckload today. So we're going to burn it and see what happens later. I mean, now SPY's moving back to the upside here. I'm up around 5-6% on the day with that swing just kicking around. $90 price target news for coin. That's interesting. Is it ripping here? Yeah, coin ripping up there on the 5-minute, coming up to a level of resistance here at 57.73. Okay. Yeah, guys. Also, QR code on the screen here too. Make sure you guys are getting your 90% off your first month to the platform. $5 for your first month, man. There you guys go. I'll throw the link in the live chat as well. And make sure that you guys are hopping in to the 3-year before the prices go up at the end of the month. You guys saw the feedback from the new Gabe streams. You guys have seen the feedback from the master classes. If you guys do want to hop in there, just reach out to Diana in the Discord. It's super simple to do so. Just do @Diana, and then she will help you guys upgrade if that's what you want to do. Beta. Yeah, I recall. I know you guys were talking about Beta. I was looking at coin 2 to the upside. Hit above your goal. I'm done for the day. There you go, Miles. That's discipline there, buddy. Thanks, team. Dude, you did it, man. You were the one that did it. You out of day trades, so you have to hold it until tomorrow. Daily Bread, that's your second dumbass mistake. So you bought something that you considered a day trade on the 5-minute, and you have to hold it until tomorrow. You are stuck. Please don't do this again. Why are we? You're all right. This is going to sound like me being an asshole, but Daily Bread, you're being a fucking moron. You're trading like everybody else that's in like a retail investor. You know why? Because they'll just be like, oh, fuck it. I'll buy with PDT. And then you can't even sell it, bro. You're up and you can't sell because your account will get restricted. Why the fuck would you have even bought it? Even if you were up like 1,000,000%, you can't sell. Or you could just be in a cash account. Like, dude, it makes no sense. Why? We've been over this. Honestly, we've probably done this 1,000 times. I told you guys, if you do dumb shit today, I'm going to crack the whip. Why are you doing this? Why have you subjected yourself to this kind of risk? Oh, Jesus Christ. Like, seriously, bro. What is that? FRC keeps paying? Nice. I'll tell you right now, Daily Bread and other people that are behaving this way, you will never have success in the market unless you change the way that you are approaching it. It's simple as that. You guys can get mad at me all you want for saying these things like that, but how many times have I been right over the last year? Almost every time. Please, please, please stop acting like a dumbass in the market or you're going to get dumbass results. You'll take your 2 for 2 wins and be done for the day? Good. Good. SPY does look like it's losing steam here. It's probably doing it on the 5-minute as well. Yep. Yep. Oh, it just ripped to the 5-minute 200. Up 6.5% and probably done for the day. There you go. There you go. Trade 1348 for the win, man. I mean, what do you guys expect at this point? It's Print City. There goes SPY a little lower. Hold on. Yeah, it's just consolidating in here. I'm not touching any of this nonsense. AMD back above 80. I like that. Western Alliance Bancorp shares extend losses, last down 84.8%. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Is Trader Joe short any bank stocks? Huh. It might be. Sometimes it takes time for folks to break from bad habits. It took you your smooth brain 8 months and blowing up your account twice to learn. Now I'm up 160% on the month. Yeah, that's what it is, man. I mean, again, you have to think, what would Rita do? And that's what I want you guys to think at the end of the day. You guys are about to see something revolutionary come that you've never seen before in the market. Again, what would Rita do? That's all you have to ask yourself. Trader Joe's short everything. Yeah. Your gamble last week was using a small amount of gains for a gamble. Good. Bought a 320. Jesus. Do I sell covered calls? No. No, I don't. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I don't even think I can in that account. I think it's like not allowed. I think that's like not allowed in that account. It's not like a normal account. It's an interesting account. Let's see. All right, guys, it is 10:28 in the morning. We are going to be wrapping up our live stream today. Remember, guys, the QR code is on the screen for you guys to get 90% off your first month to the best retail trading platform that has ever graced the earth. So again, if you guys do want to hop in there for your first month for over 90% off, you're paying $5. QR code's here. Link is in the live chat. And if you guys do want to upgrade to the 3-year, the best bang for your buck best bang for your buck tier before it goes up at the end of the month, again, reach out to Diana before the end of the day, and she will help you guys out with that. Again, we're going to be going over TLT Wednesday night, so get ready for that, folks. So everybody, I will see you guys later. I want to see you guys all over on Gabe's stream when he comes out in a little bit. Other than that, guys, another awesome morning in Print City. What do you guys expect?